Maths. Today we're going to be carrying on with our exciting work on fractions, and we are going to be looking at improper fractions and mixed numbers, as well as adding fractions. Don't worry too much, it sounds far worse than it actually is. Please write the short date in your maths book, and the LO is to make the next multiple of 10. So that's on the top of this screen. So press pause to do that, and then please finish the sums. When you finish them, we'll mark it with a coloured pencil. So please make sure you press pause until you've finished the sums. Using a coloured pencil, please mark your answers. Today in maths, we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. If you log into your Abacus online, in your to-dos, there is the following document that you can see on the screen, which you may find helpful. Before then, though, there is a short video to watch, which hopefully will help you.
Are you ready? We had one whole delicious apple pie and 5 hungry people to share that pie. We divided that pie into 5 equal slices. Yeah man, 5 slices. My share was 1 slice of that pie. Out of 5 equal slices of the whole pie, I got 1/5 of the pie. And that's a fraction, a proper fraction. Here we go. A fraction has a denominator that goes below the line. Shows how many slices the whole pie has. 5. A fraction has a numerator that goes above the line. Shows how many slices I have. 1. Watch me now. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, that is what we call an improper fraction. 13/4. Sometimes we have a whole number together with a fraction. A whole number and a fraction is a mixed number. 3 1/4. And that's a fraction.
Here we have one whole chocolate bar. It is made up of 6 chunks. As a fraction, we could see that as sixths. If we break it into chunks and we add some of the chunks together, so we have 2 chunks plus 2 chunks. So we have 2/6 of the chocolate bar plus 2/6 of the chocolate bar. See if you can work out how many sixths of the chocolate bar we have. That's right. Altogether, we have 4 pieces of the original chocolate bar. 4 of the 6 pieces. So that is 4/6. When adding or subtracting fractions, we only need to worry about the number on the top, the numerator, though it's the only number we need to change at the moment. Let's do another example with addition. Here we have one whole chocolate bar. This time it is made up of 7 chunks, so our chocolate bar can also be seen as being 7/7. This time our sum is 4/7 plus 1/7. See if you can work out the answer. How many chunks will we have? That's right, we'll have 5 chunks. We'll have 5 of the 7 pieces, so our answer is 5/7. This time we're going to do a subtraction. So again, we have our whole chocolate bar, which is 7 chunks. So if this is a fraction, it's 7/7. If we were to break away 4 pieces from our chocolate bar, how many pieces would remain? So our sum would be 7/7 minus 4/7. See if you can work out the answer. Well done. 3/7. 3 pieces would remain of the original 7 pieces, so 3/7. This time we have 2 chocolate bars. Each chocolate bar is made up of 7 chunks. This time we have 3/7 of the chocolate bar and 6/7 of another chocolate bar. See if you can add those two together. Well done if you made 9/7. This means we would have more than a whole one. We call this an improper fraction when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So the number on the top, the numerator is 9 and the denominator is 7. We call this an improper fraction. So it's 9/7 or 1 2/7. If you think of it along chocolate bar terms, it means you would have one whole chocolate bar and 2 chunks of another one, or 2/7. Write the yellow, adding and subtracting fractions in your book. You need to write all the sums out in full. When you have finished this, there is an extension task on Atom Learning. If you have 1, 2, 3 maths though, I would like you to do that instead. Pause this video while you complete your work and then we'll go through the answers together. Pause the video while you mark your work. Give yourself some house points depending on how well you think you have done.